say this one more time really loud.
Keep learning and keep using your imagination to have fun.
Hey Arlington, it's Adam Harris here, your head of communications and storytelling. I'm at Dryden. I'm with Maddie and Savannah and Kylie. Say hi.
Hi!
Okay, so what are we learning about? What are we talking about?
We're learning about forces in motion.
Tell us about that.
So we have forces, which probably most of you know that forces are a push or a pull, or a turn or a stop. Something that speeds up, that's also a force, or something that slows down, that's also a force. We have friction, gravity, and gravity is also a force. And then we have another type of G-force. We have another type of force. That's a G-force. A G-force makes you stay in like a car, like on your roller coaster. And another type of G-force is that like if you go down and then a sudden turn, then it'll make you want to fly out into outer space.
Okay, do we think Kylie explained that pretty well?
Yes, very well.
Okay, so let's get to what's on your posters. All right. So Savannah, tell us what's on your posters. What is this project?
So these are roller coasters. So we're learning about forces in roller coasters. So we got to design our own roller coasters.
And you haven't been able to finish it yet because
Yes,
you've been
I'm
out,
not
right?
finished.
So tell us about yours.
I actually have not been out. I have been working on other school stuff, but that doesn't matter. So this is called
spring poems, and she had a really detailed, nice and long one. But it was really detailed and nice.
So I had to type it. And I have to type my persuasive essay, but whatever.
Okay.
This is cool.
One thing from each of you. What did you learn? Maddie, start with you. Then we'll go to Savannah and then Kylie. So what did you learn?
I learned that there are many forces in a roller coaster to help you move, to stop the ride, and to just keep you going.
Cool.
What I learned that like even if you like twist over and like you're upside down, the G-force it keeps you in. And also like if you've ever been on a ride, there's also these buckles to also help you keep in, because it's not just the G-force that helps you stay in if it goes upside down. It's also the buckles that you have too.
Great. Kylie, what'd you learn?
I learned that forces in general, I read this passage on my test. I think that was part 1. But I learned that never happened. But I learned that forces keep you actually on Earth. The moon and the sun actually produce gravity, and gravity is stronger on different planets. On Earth, that we know, or at least I know, has the strongest force. So when you step on a scale, gravity really pulls you down to see how much you weigh. So gravity is the only reason why we're not floating up in outer space.
I love that. Okay, I think you guys did an awesome job. Can't wait to see when yours is finished, but it looks awesome. Do we have anything else you want to say?
Well, have a great rest of your day.
I love that.
Yeah. We're signing off for the rest. Keep learning and keep using your imagination.
Keep learning and say this one more time really loud.
Keep learning and keep using your imagination to have fun.
Okay, that's a perfect thing. Bye.